Hello, I'm Thane Thompson. I'm going to present Kagglizer. Kagglizer is a fabric workspace intended to help students solve data science problems. We took as inspiration an actual Kaggle problem. This one is on credit risk model stability. We are full stack developers on our little team here, so we're not data scientists. Weren't going to solve the problem necessarily. We were going to learn how to create a dynamic web page that pulled together these different tools in a way that would help a student to solve a data science problem. So a tri-panel approach, kind of a co-pilot type strategy. On the left side would be the display of the problem and any background information associated with the problem, as well as steps in a classic data science problem solving sequence. The middle tier would be, and this would go back to a SQL Server database. The middle panel would be a PySpark notebook, which where the student would actually do the data science problem solving using Python. This goes back to and accesses the Lakehouse in Fabric. And the third panel is the Azure OpenAI chatbot, which would be tuned to the problem using prompts from the first panel from the database and retrieval augmented generation based upon textbooks that are loaded into blob storage. And that is what we intended to build. What we actually built was a fraction of that. We had a full stack back end, middle tier, front end scheme. What is in green was completed. What has a little black circle by it is a repo on GitHub where you can find our work. But as you can see, the green is mostly back end type of tasks and some simple front end stuff as well as the GitHub. The yellow, the dynamic front end, the API for the SQL Server and the API for the OpenAI are partially complete. There was nothing done on the PySpark notebook. So that is what it is. And we do want to thank you for watching on behalf of my team. And I want to thank Microsoft for putting on a show and look forward to something next time. Goodbye.